Welcome to Math YouTube channel. In this class, I am explaining about derivative of trigonometric functions. What is derivative? You know that. See this problem. Find the derivative of sine hyperbolic inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. We want to find a derivative of this one. Given f of x equals to sine hyperbolic inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. This is the function. That is trigonometric function. Trigonometric hyperbolic function, this one. Now f dash x. F dash x means dy by dx. dy by dx of sine hyperbolic inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Now, what is sine hyperbolic inverse x? dy by dx of sine hyperbolic inverse x equals to 1 by 1 plus x square under root. That is the formula. Okay? F dash x equals to 1 by 1 plus x square 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square under root. Again, we want to differentiate this one. How to differentiate? dy by dx of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Okay? This is equals to 1 by 1 plus 1 minus x square by 1 plus x whole square under root into u by v form. Already you know dy by dx of u by v. V du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. That is the formula for dy by dx of e by v. Okay? Now, by using that formula, what is v now? 1 plus x. dy by dx of u 1 minus x minus u 1 minus x dy by dx of 1 plus x divided by v square 1 plus x whole square. This equals to 1 by 1 plus x whole square plus 1 minus x whole square divided by 1 plus x whole square under root. Okay? Into 1 plus x minus 1, yes, 1 minus x 1. Why? Because dy by dx of x is nothing but 1, minus is there, dy by dx of x is nothing but 1. Okay? By 1 plus x square. Now 1 plus x whole square is nothing but 1 plus x here. Why? Because root goes 1 plus x whole square 1 plus x whole square plus 1 minus x whole square under root. This is 1 plus x because root goes minus 1 minus x minus 1 minus x minus 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x whole square. This equals to 1 plus x, this goes, 1 plus x remains. Now plus x minus x cancel, minus 2 is there, divided by a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. See here, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. What is there? 2 into a square plus b square. Okay. Now 2 into a square means 1 plus b square means x square under root into 1 by 1 plus x. This equals to 2 gets out 2 by root 2 into 1 plus x square, this one, into 1 plus x under root. This equals to minus 2 divided by root 2 into 1 plus x square under root into 1 by 1 plus x. Root 2 gets minus root 2. Root 2 goes 1 plus x square under root into 1 plus x. This is the required answer. Okay. See the next problem. Find the derivative of sine tan inverse e power x. Given f of x equals to sine tan inverse e power x. Now this is the function f dash x equals to dx of sine tan inverse e power x. Okay. What is dx of sin x? Cos x. Cos x means that one. Tan inverse e power x. Now dx of this. dx of tan inverse e power x. Now cos tan inverse e power x 1 by 1 plus x square e power 2x. x square means e power 2x. Okay. Again dx of e power x is nothing but e power x. Now cos tan inverse e power x into e power x divided by 1 plus e power 2x. That's all. This is the required answer. Okay. Just we are using formulas, that's all. Okay. Please remember all formulas. Practice those formulas. You can get easily trigonometric functions, those by using derivatives. Okay. See the next problem. Find the derivative of sin x tan inverse x whole square. See here, given f of x equals to sin x tan inverse x whole square. Simply we can use uv formula, that's all. f dash x equals to, that means derivative of x, function x, derivative x of sin x tan inverse x whole square. Okay. Now you can use the uv formula. Derivative x of uv equals to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. That's all. U means sin x into d by dx of v, d by dx of v tan inverse x whole square plus u plus v tan inverse x whole square d by dx of u sin x. Okay, sin x, this one 2 tan inverse x 2 minus 1 into d by dx of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, plus tan inverse x whole square into cos x. You know this. Derivative x of sin x is nothing but cos x. Now, if you want to verify the formulas, past videos. Yes. Now, sin x 2 tan inverse x, 2 minus 1 means 1, by 1 plus x square plus cos x into tan inverse x whole square. Okay, this is the answer. In this way you can do the problem. Here we are using formulas. Please read the formulas, note down the formulas, remember the formulas. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.